In this tutorial, I'll show you how to invest in ETFs on Trading 212. By the end, you'll have the right account set up, you'll know how to find an ETF, place a buy order confidently, optionally automate your investing with pies, and fund your account in a fee-efficient way. First, set up your account. Open the Trading 212 app or website and sign in. From the main screen, open the account options and choose the account you want to use. Select Trading 212. Invest for standard investing or choose an ISA if you want tax-advantaged investing. Confirm your selection on screen. Once that's done, you'll land in your new account view, ready to search for ETFs. Next, search for ETFs. Click or tap the magnifying glass icon. In the search bar, type the ETF ticker you're looking for, such as SXR8 or VUSA. As you type, you'll see matching results. Select the ETF to open its detail page. If you don't have a specific ticker, browse the categories shown, such as Most Popular, to discover sector funds or global index funds. From here, open the ETF you want so you can place your order. Now place your order. On the ETF page, click Buy. At the top of the order ticket, choose your order type. Select Market Order if you want to buy at the current market price. Choose Limit Order if you want to set the maximum price you're willing to pay. The order will only execute if the market reaches your limit price. This helps avoid paying more than you intend, but it may not fill immediately if the price doesn't reach your limit. Below that, enter how much you want to invest. You can type a cash amount or switch to the number of shares if you prefer. Review the summary on screen, or including the estimated cost and the order type you selected. When everything looks correct, confirm the order to place it. If the market is open and you chose a market order, it should execute shortly. If you chose a limit order, you'll see it pending until your price is met. Now automate your investing with the Pies feature if you want to set up a recurring schedule. Go to Pies from the main menu and create a new pie. Give it a clear name. Add your chosen ETF to the pie. Set the target allocation to 100% if this pie will hold only that one ETF. Enable Auto Invest on the pie. Choose your monthly contribution amount and pick the date you want the schedule to run. Confirm the settings to save your Auto Invest plan. From here, the pie will direct each scheduled contribution into your ETF according to the allocation you set. Well, you can pause or adjust this later without affecting your existing holdings. Finally, fund your account. From the main screen, click Add Funds or Deposit. Choose Bank Transfer as your funding method. This is recommended to avoid fees as card deposits may incur charges. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the transfer from your bank. If reference details are provided, enter them exactly so the funds reach your Trading 212 account correctly. Once the transfer clears, the cash will appear in your account balance and will be available for your ETF order and for any upcoming auto investments you've scheduled. At this point, you've set up your Trading 212 Invest or ISA account, found the ETF you want, placed your buy order, optionally automated future contributions with pies, and funded your account by bank transfer to minimize fees. Your ETF investing on Trading 212 is now set up and working. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.